Kukholelwa ukuba abantu abaninzi bafike apha kumzi kaElvis Nyathi bamemeza besithi ziphi imiphepha mvume zokuba kweli lizwe. Uye warhuqelwa apha wagityiselwa ngamatye ze watshiswa ngomlilo.
Amthola ukuthi utshiselwe lana wamfonelwa nje ukuthi ubaba ngwakho seshonile bamshisile. Angizwa ubuhlungu ngiphelelwa ngamandla ngoba ingane zami noma yona li 200 ade ithole ebalungwini. Ukhona uthi yena nisubhadalela ingane.
Umphathiswa wamaPolisa uphinde wagaleleka ekhatshwa ngumkomishinala wamaPolisa namhlanje.
The police, I'm sure they will pursue that and be able to find the culprits. We're having senior detectives here who has put quite a top team to pursue this. But not only this, and other cases that have taken place.
Uza kubuyela apha eDiepsloot kwakhona ngomso. Umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa ugxekile ukubulawa kwabantu.
The minister was there yesterday and he helped to calm the situation. We are continuing to keep a very close eye and also engaging with various members of the community, because we don't want that situation to turn into an ugly one. So we're consulting on all sides, people who live there in Diepsloot, and also listening very closely to their concerns. But we will not condone any criminality. Any form of criminality which results in the death of anyone is not acceptable, and we will take action to deal with it.
Iindaba SABC into Cyril Ramaphosa eDiepsloot.